This is Racoon stuck in bird feeder. Hey, how you doing? It's Mr. Racoon. I know you like sunflower seeds. But you're eating the bird's food. And the puppy dog is not happy. There's the unhappy puppy dog, who's keeping up the numbers. Hey, don't. Oh, you're trying to hide one eye, are you? Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh, kitty pie. I know you're scared to death. We need to have some sort of resolution about this. So, if I can... I don't know how I'm going to get the puppy dog inside. Nacho's not happy about you being in the bird feeder. Yeah. Oh, there you go, trying to hide one eye again. Yeah, you're pretty good at that. Oh no. Okay, we'll see what we can do about getting you out of